Assembly. The theme of today's special assembly is health and hygiene. It is a common saying health is wealth, especially during this pandemic. It is very important to take care of our health and hygiene. Let's start our day by remembering the Almighty. Now I request Kushak Shrivastava of 4th B to start the prayer. Thank you.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Let's chant Saraswati Vandana. Join your hands, close your eyes and bow your heads. Start Saraswati Vandana. Ya kundentu tushare hari dhavala ya shubhra vastravita या वीणावरदण्ड मंडितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माचित शंकर प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I am going to start a prayer. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So high, you can't get over it. So high, you can't get over it. Oh, wonderful love. So deep, you can't get under it. So deep, you can't get under it. So deep, you can't get under it. Oh, wonderful love. So wide, you can't get around it. So wide, you can't get around it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Thank you. Yoga is the journey of the self to the self and through the self. Thank you.
7 tips to stay healthy. Rainbow of good health. Eat healthy. Eat a balanced diet. Have meals at regular in intervals. Don't overeat. Regular exercise. Walk 45 minutes. Daily do yoga in routine and play a game. Measure weight. Maintain your normal weight according to your height. Say no to bad habits. Say no to drugs, alcohols, cigarettes. Personal hygiene and cleanliness. Keep clean every day and also keep the environment clean. Don't take stress. For self-happiness, take good sleep for 7 to 8 hours. See a doctor if you have any problem. Preservation of disease is better than cure. Thank you.
Take a bath with every day. Use the shampoo and soap to take the dirt away. Wash your hands with the rub so clean. Perform good washing every day to keep the germs away. brush your teeth, do it every day. Use toothpaste or a dental floss, get cavities away. Use a face mask, wear it every day. Cover your nose and mouth with the viruses away. If you practice proper hygiene, you will not get ill. Manage yourself, keep it clean, a healthy life will feel. If you practice proper hygiene, you will not get ill. Manage yourself, keep it clean, a healthy life will feel.
Should junk food banned in schools or not? Junk food should be banned in schools. No, it shouldn't. It may cause health problems in heart and bones. Isn't it that bad? So healthy food can be just as bad sometimes. Unhealthy food may be bad for immune function. Some people think it's delicious. It makes children lazy or hyperactive. I believe that eating junk food from time to time can make you feel happy. It doesn't got minerals and vitamins for our body. If junk food will be banned in school, children can still eat it anywhere. Habits are formed during childhood. People should make their own decisions and choices, but due to its side effects, I also understand eating junk food is unhealthy. Thinking of our children, their health, their brains, their studies, and their future. In our opinion, junk food should be banned in schools. What about you? What is your opinion? Please share it. Thank you.
आज मैं एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ जिसका नाम है हेल्दी फूड यानी कि स्वस्थ भोजन। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। बच्चों खाओ कच्ची गाजर, नींबू, खीरा और टमाटर। लाल लाल तुम बन जाओगे, सुंदर बच्चे कहलाओगे। आलू बोला मुझको खाओ, मैं तुमको मोटा कर दूंगा। पालक बोली मुझको खाओ, मैं तुमको कर दूंगी। मूली और गाजर बोले हमको भी अगर खाओगे तो जल्दी बड़े हो जाओगे, थैंक यू।
मैं एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। वो कविता स्वच्छता और सेहत के बारे में। असली पूंजी हर मानव का रोग मुक्त हो जाना है। सब लोगों की एक दवाई, बात सुनो मेरे बहन भाई। भारत भी सुंदर स्वच्छ बने, चाहूं और रखो साफ सफाई। धरती की अब हर सिखलाई कानों में मेरे गूंजी है।
Today I am telling you a finger puppet show. The title is Health and Hygiene. Long ago there lived a family with his mummy, papa, 8 years old Himanshu and 7 years old Himani. The both kids are very much fond of junk food. They used to eat burger and pizzas and refuse fruits and vegetables. Himanshu, we don't like to eat fruit and vegetable at all. Himani, yes, we like pizza and burger. Mummy, but children, if you want to eat fruit and vegetable, then your eyesight will become poor in such a age. One day the mummy explained them lovely. Our eyesight becomes strong by eating fruit and vegetable. If your eyes become poor, then you have to wear specs all the time. This affection convinced Himani to eat fruit and vegetable. Himani, okay mom, from now I eat fruit and vegetable every day. But Himanshu refused to listen to his mother. Himanshu, no mom, I like to eat pizza and burger, therefore I will eat that only. And the mother stopped explaining Himanshu. One day the teacher asked a question from Himanshu. Himanshu, come and solve this question on the blackboard. When Himanshu looked at the blackboard, he found that everything is blurred. He rubbed his eyes and looked again, but still he found everything is blur. The teachers called Himanshu when he was unable to answer because his eyesight becomes weak. Then Himanshu realized that Mummy was right, that fruit and vegetable are very important for us. Thank you. The moral of the story is we have to eat fruit and vegetable every day.
As we say, healthy mind lives in a healthy body. Environmental hygiene is equally important to personal hygiene. Therefore, it is very important to keep our surroundings clean and healthy to avoid deadly diseases. Hence, we must all participate to maintain good health and hygiene to keep our country disease-free and healthy. With this note, I want to thank everyone for taking out the precious time for this special assembly presented by the students of grade 4. Hope you liked it. We want to thank all the teachers who put a lot of efforts to sensitize us the importance of health and hygiene. We also want to thank our principal ma'am, HM ma'am, for giving us the opportunity to showcase our talent. And last but not the least, we want to thank all the parents for their unconditional love and support. Thank you.